right, so we're at Ben & Jerry's factory. It stopped raining for just a few minutes, so we're gonna go check out the flavor graveyard before it starts to rain again, and then we'll go inside the factory and check it out. But I already see a few cows, and this is utterly awesome. You're welcome for that. Okay, so here's the tip. When you come into Ben & Jerry's, stay to the left. There's parking to the left. There's parking to the right. We went to the right, and now we've walked about a quarter of a mile to the graveyard. So if you want to come to the graveyard, come to your left. Don't go to the right. And if you've had kids cooped up in the car for a while, they have a pretty sweet playground that they can get some of that energy out, and then give them some ice cream at the end. Okay, so my brother from another mother works here because it's Tales of the Dearly Depinted. That's some stuff I would say, so let's go find some Tales of Dearly Depinted. Although we forgot to bring flowers, we did pay our respects to some of the more forgotten flavors of Ben & Jerry's, like turtle soup and whoopie pie and fossil fuel and sweaty balls, creme brulee, just to name a few. Let's go check them all out. Okay, so Ben & Jerry's is a pretty popular place. They're sold out for the day. So if you want to go into the factory and guarantee that you can go into the factory, then go get tickets online. If you're like us and we're traveling and wouldn't know exactly when we'd be here and you can't buy tickets because you don't know if you'll make it, you run the risk of being like us.